Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and please subscribe. Subscription is free. You pay nothing to do that. Subscribe and join this amazing family. So it has been long I posted a video in this channel because of one or two things that I'm doing. It has kept me away from my YouTube channel, so I am back now. Yeah, I am back. So in this video I'll be making my hair butter cream without emulsifier or preservative, so you keep watching if you're interested in this, and also please give me a thumbs up if you find this video interesting. In fact, with and without finding it interesting, just give me a thumbs up, okay? Thank you as you do that. For this butter cream, I am using fenugreek seed, cloves, rosemary leaves. I am using the dry one. You can use the fresh one if it is within your reach. I am trying to infuse my herbs into the oil that I will be using for this butter cream. Step is to cover it with a foil, then put it in a hot water for it to heat off for about 45 minutes. So as you can see, the aloe vera has changed. It's now brown in color, and it's no more sticky as before. I love how it turns out. So right now I will take it down and cover it for it to stay for the whole day before using it, so that it will infuse properly. So this is the next day. I will now extract the oil and take out the residue. is the infused oil. I love how it turns out. I mean, the color and in fact everything about it. So right now we take out the butter that I will be using for this buttercream. I am using 2 types of butter here. I'm using shea butter and cocoa butter. These are my 2 favorite butter that I always use. Once I'm done, then I will now put it in hot water for it to melt. Once the butter is done melting, then I will now pour in the oil that I infuse. Then put it inside the freezer for it to cool a little bit, then before mixing it together, before whisking it. So here I am adding the oil already. I'm adding the oil, my infused oil. So that is it. Please, if you find my voice too irritating, please bear with me. I'm having catarrh and cough, so please